I wanted to cover this because I had a couple of students that had a question about this, and it's the definition of net realizable value. Let me come over here to screen view. So we're talking about, let me get my handy dandy marker, talking about net realizable value. Net realizable value is simply at the end of the year, how much is accounts receivable minus the balance in the allowance for uncollectible accounts. It's important to note that this is after adjustment, after you've taken your uncollectible accounts expense debit and however much you needed to put into the allowance account to adjust for the aging. So if the aging, in this case, for example, the aging show that it should be 900, okay? But, whatever you don't know, all you know is that that's what it is 12/31 by looking at this example that the book gives us. But net realizable value is just simply, like I said, it's the accounts receivable at year end less what the allowance for uncollectible accounts was adjusted to, which in this case was 900. Don't let that negative fool you. It's not a negative 500. The problem is that accounts receivable is a debit account, and then allowance for uncollectible accounts has it's a contra account, so it has a natural credit balance. So it's not minus $900, it's that $900 is what should be in the allowance account after adjustment. And then I think where students get confused is they want to take this, the $10,000, and they want to subtract from it the entry that was made to uncollectible accounts expense. This is not about adjusting net realizable value. It's not about doing anything with uncollectible accounts expense. It's about the ending balance in accounts receivable minus the ending balance post-adjustment for the allowance account. Just wanted to cover that right quick.